same light.
Forever grateful,
We give thanks.
we give thanks.
Through the struggle,
Still we chant,
still we chant.
still we chant.
Oh. Yeah. From the ashes of the days gone by, we step in the dawn with the watchful eye. 70s fire still burn within. Now a new time start, let the praise begin. Through the trials and the chains we bore, still we standing, still wanting more. Not for riches nor vanity, but for truth, love and dignity. Babylon press, but we now retreat. We plant good seed in the concrete. Through every storm we testify. Jah give the strength, we multiply. Forever grateful, we sing to Jah. From near and far, just as we are. Lift up the sufferers, heal the scars. One love shining like the morning star. Forever grateful, hearts made clean. Forgive the past, live righteously. From every land across the sea, repatriating unity. See the world through a glowing screen. Truth get lost in the in-between. Voices loud but the hearts feel weak. Too much talking, not enough seek. Nation fight over power and pride. Families break with the truth denied. Still the poor man bear the weight, while the system manipulate. But shall I know dim nor fade? Even in this digital age, ancient wisdom still remain. Guide the soul through fear and pain. Give thanks, for life, life.
Give thanks,
Through the strife,
unity
unity,
is the key.
the key.
Set us free.
Free. Call the children back to the land. Not just soil, but a righteous stand. Repatriation of the mind and soul. Breaking the chains, becoming whole. No hatred glow where love reside. No need to run, no need to hide. Forgiveness strong like a rooted tree. That's the path to liberty.
Forever grateful,
We sing to Jah through every wound and every scar. Lift up the sufferers where they are. One love shining like a burning star. Forever grateful, voices raised through the nights and brighter days. In every tongue, in every way.
give thanks,
Give thanks, we pray. Praise is power, gratitude is strength.